Okay, let's get started. This won't take long. At the lower left bottom edge of the driver's side dash is the vehicle's OBD2 diagnostic port. Right up behind it, plugged into the rear of it, is the vehicle's gateway connector. Gain access to the rear of the OBD2 port and unplug the vehicle's gateway connector, then plug it into the female connector from the T-harness. Now replace the vehicle's gateway connector with the gateway plug from the harness. All right, we're already halfway through. Now take the blue plug from the T-harness and plug it into the blue plug on the remote start module. In response, the LED on the module will light up solid red, indicating power to the module. Now with your eyes on the red LED, turn the ignition on. Do not start the vehicle. In response, the LED on the module will flash green a few times, then turn on solid green for a few seconds, and then turn off. After you see the green LED turn off the ignition and remove your key. All right, we're ready to test remote start activation. Exit the vehicle, close all the vehicle's doors, and lock the doors with your vehicle's remote. Wait at least 30 seconds, then press the remote's lock button slowly 3 times. After your vehicle remote starts, let it test run for at least a minute. Then press the unlock button on your remote, enter your vehicle, and step on the brake pedal. In response, the engine will shut down. All right, you're all set. Finish up by securing the module and harness up under the dash using the supplied zip ties. Now to preheat or pre-cool the interior by remote start, just set your climate control settings to where you need them when parking the vehicle before you turn the engine off. And the system will automatically turn them on shortly after the next time you remote start your vehicle. Would you like more range than what your factory remotes provide? No problem. You can upgrade this system anytime during or after installation with any of Directed Electronics DS3 or DS4 compatible remote kits. Turn this system into a long-range one-way or two-way confirming remote starter system with keyless entry. Boost this system to activate anywhere from 1/4 to 1 mile away, depending on which remote kit you choose. With several brands and dozens of remote styles to choose from. Choose from top brand names like Viper, Clifford, Python, Automate, and more. At Motor City Autobahn, we assemble our Ford vehicle-specific systems using the automotive aftermarket's industry-leading components. So if you do decide to upgrade your system, need a replacement part or remote in the future, not only can they be provided directly through Motor City Autobahn, but you can also find any of the components and remote upgrades available all across the USA, from leading consumer electronics stores, online and off, to the majority of your local automotive accessory shops. Not the do-it-yourself type? No problem. Viper has authorized sales and installation dealers all across the USA where you can directly purchase both the system and have it professionally installed. From leading consumer electronics stores to the majority of your local automotive accessory shops, you can find the Viper brand on the shelf of almost any reputable shop from coast to coast. There's a link provided below that will take you directly to Viper's website, where you can enter your zip code to locate the closest authorized sales and installation facility near you. All right, that about sums it up. If you have any questions, are interested in purchasing this system, or have a different year or model of Ford that you're looking for a remote starter system for, just click any of the links below or leave us a message in the comments section and a technician will reply, usually within 24 hours between the hours of 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern. And thank you for watching. Motor City Autobahn, your fastest route to remote starter installation.